So today we'll see uh, a filter pump which is good for turtle tanks or any aquarium or a fish tank setup where there is the water is not that high, and like whenever we want to keep turtles or another low water animals at our home and we want to set up something for them. So normally the filters which are meant for fish tank, which have like deep water, are not that effective, and I'll also explain the reason for the same. So this is something which I bought from Amazon, and I went through so many reviews which are there on Amazon about it, and then I decided to buy this. So in the box we see this is the kind of filter we have, and in here this is the connector. We'll see how to set up, and then as the next step we'll see how to set it up onto the fish tank. So in the box the setup is simple. If you see, it has a very typical design. So if the water is not high, still this portion should be dipped in water, and at least till this height the water should be there in the tank. If we have a look at the box, what it contains within is, so there is a filtration chamber inside it, and this pump is removable. Right now it is hooked on to this place, so this pump is not removing. So this pump is removable, and inside the filtration chamber or assembly is there. So I'll show you the box how, and this is the filter which we can easily clean, and there are some to catch the bigger elements. These are the balls which are normally there in such filters. So in the next step we'll see how to mount it onto my turtle tank, and that's where how this would adjust. If you see in the top, this is how it looks like. This will stick to any glass surface. I will fill back these balls. Yeah, we'll keep these, fill back those again, and that is how you can mount it back here. So it also comes up with a hanging set, so we can hang it, and this is how it would adjust. So here we can try to mount it over the wall of the aquarium, and you can also even hang it. So yeah, that's enough like on part of unboxing. We'll next step we'll see how it adjusts into the turtle tank.